Hold on, what? That's the ending, not the beginning. That's me, John Goshner, on a paddleboard and being passed very rapidly by a sailing kite recently constructed by Martin. And of course, I'm on his paddleboard too. But let's go back to the beginning. And this is VDM, Viento De Mar. And in the back, you see nice cabins. And in the front, you can see that there are Napa huts or little tiki huts that give you shade. Big, beautiful grassy areas for launching the drone. And in the bottom left corner is the catamaran. Off to the right, we see this beautiful mansion, so I requested one of my stepsons to fly the drone over there. And sure enough, it must be owned by an Arab sheikh or some incredibly wealthy person. What a gorgeous home that is right there. And here's the skipper, the man of the hour, Mark McNamara, who's about to show you how you can launch a Hobie catamaran. And he's going to give rides to a lot of people. And there it is. Let's watch this. And no, I didn't speed this up 3 times. They really are that fast. And let's just watch them do this. VDM has the advantage of having a wonderful ramp. It's not very steep like you can see over at the boulevard. And as a result, it's very convenient for Mark to be launching the catamaran at this location. Hi, Mark. How you doing? And let's switch over to another drone. We had 2 drones following this whole entire process, and we can look now from a different view as they prepare the catamaran to be launched. You see that little black smudge off to the right? Can you figure out what that thing is? It's a stingray. That's right. And it seems to be a rather large one at that. So we didn't see it, but of course the drone did. So let's get this bugger in the water, okay? As you can see, the local people are just more than willing to help. And there's Bulk, my stepson, who's flying the drone, and that's me standing in the background. Still quite cautious about COVID, don't want to get it. And so they got it out on the water, and here we go. Let's see some water video. Drones sure have given us a new view of how it is to see our activities from a different angle, from the sky. And the quality of the images has improved greatly over the years, so I'm very happy to be able to do this. And the weather at first seemed like there would be no wind at all. But by the time I was on the paddleboard later on, there was so much wind I couldn't even stand up. So it worked out very well for all of us, and it's certainly a gorgeous sight on this Saturday morning. And here it is, the sailing kayak built by Martin, and he's doing fabulous. This is his very first time out, and he's moving at a very nice clip and providing a little assist there with the paddles. But that little sail can pull it. He's doing really well, and everybody was excited to see how successful it was. Martin, I don't know if you saw the drone or not, but if you did, you should have been waving at us. So here we are, leaving his kayak and trying to get a view of Mayan volcano, but it was covered in clouds, so that's the best we can do. So here's that little clip you saw at the beginning. This is Martin just leaving now in his kayak, the sailing kayak. And here I come, put on the paddleboard. My legs are spread so far apart, I got cramps in both thighs, but it was certainly worth the fun of doing that. And he wanted to race me, and I politely declined and brought the paddleboard back to shore. As you can see, the waves are such that the idea of standing up was just not going to happen with an old codger like me. So into the shore I came. So let's end this by looking at some photos. There's the entrance to the resort, and you can see some of the cottages there and the beautiful grounds that the cottages are on. And there he is again, the captain, the skipper, and that's getting Mark's boat ready to go, and he was taking cell phone pictures. Of course, everybody does that now. And this is me with Mark, and off we go. I chose to sit on the trampoline. My skinny little butt just can't handle sitting on fiberglass very well. And so needless to say, I got rather wet because the waves did reach up to the bottom of the trampoline. But we had a good conversation, had good fun, and here's my stepson Choi, who's out on the paddleboard now. He did a little better than me, as you might expect, and looks perfectly at home on the paddleboard. And that's it. That's the last picture of me trying to come home. And it was a wonderful day for all of us. And try as he might, Martin could not quite keep up with the catamaran.